How you doing? This is Daniel from BVN in San Juan del Sur. I just want to show you this beautiful property here with a pool. Look at the view I have here. It's an Ocean Pacific view. It's unbelievable here. It's a greenbelt area. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You could see the bay right there going into the Pacific Ocean. This is an oversized pool here, which is about 3-4 feet deep here. This is the house right here. Unbelievable view. I'm going to be walking into the house now. We're going to start with the kitchen. It's a full kitchen. And this is one of the bedrooms here. It's a 3-2. Actually, it's a 3-3. Closet area. This is the living room area. Going upstairs. Here's the window going to the outside on the stairs. You're going to see a beautiful view from the master bedroom here. Here's the view from the master. That's one of the beaches over here in San Juan del Sur. And here you have the master bedroom. Now we're going into the second bedroom here. And you can see the beach here in San Juan del Sur. It's a nice size second bedroom, which is about 12 by 13. Going down to the stairs. Well constructed, all block house. This is another guest bathroom. So actually, we have here 3.5 baths, 3 bedrooms. About 1,300 square feet. This is the outside view, the parking facilities. It's all secured with security system here.
Amazing. You didn't say thank you.